a seminar in IIT Madras, a day at IIT Madras, when I came to know about the importance and the value of IIT, and that was when I actually thought, okay, I want to go to an IIT.
I initially joined with nothing knowing about IIT JEE, just like another school lad who just wanted to pass out his 2 years of time in Fiji.
Time I realized the need to have an external coaching, an external hand on the shoulder to guide me in the right path.
Came to know about Fiji through my friends in my old school. They told me how the teachers were good and were really helpful
to join me in Fiji because they thought that this will give me a better future.
These 4 years of dedicated efforts is a crucial factor in deciding the next 40 years of our lives.
I came to know about Fiji through a friend of mine. He was a senior in my old school, quite smart student, a role model for me, so I joined Fiji after he joined.
Joining Fiji actually motivated me to look more for success because the competition around was so nice.
In school we were just taught what was there in the book, and in Fiji we were taught so much more out of the what was covered in school.
When I came to know that people were really smart, it was scary at first. It was intimidating.
Fiji's systematic study plan was an important factor in the journey for me. It provided a guided pathway and time-to-time goals for me to achieve.
During this entire period, my teachers at Fiji guided me properly. They told me what to do, what not to do, what problems to tackle, what type of problems to tackle, what different methods to make myself thorough with. And when the JEE Advanced exam came, I wasn't nervous at all.
During the initial phase, it was very tough to cope up with the syllabus because I wasn't exposed to that much amount of advanced topics.
During the final run, the classes were extended up to 8:30. So it is about our efforts and Fiji's initiative to make us achieve our goal.
The BrahMos test series conducted by Fiji was very useful as they introduced me to a lot of new problems as well as forced me to solve them quicker so that in the exam I wouldn't struggle.
And one thing that was very influencing factor on me was the peer group. I had one of the best peer groups in the country. Like most of the like-minded people were sitting with me, learning with me, and it made me think a lot more, made me improve, widened my capabilities, improve my thinking and problem-solving skills.
Initially took part tests to know my weak areas. Then I started revising those so that I can improve on them. Then I started taking full tests on MyPAT and AATs, which helped a lot.
The school exams, that is the general tests that happen in the school regularly, that becomes really easy because what we learn in Fiji, the conceptual model is much better than what is there in the NCERT books.
I then learned how to properly solve the packages and how to leave no question uncleared to be able to solve all questions, that even not knowing a single question could cost me in the exam.
Take your exams seriously because only when you write exams you know where you stand or know if you actually know the subject or you don't know the subject.
I solved most of the archives and the packages and CPP questions given to me by my faculties.
Looked at my journey over these 2 years and I realized that a boy who had cried severely when the NTSC results came out was no longer like that. Rather, he had developed the calm and the composure required to tackle an exam like JEE Advanced.
Also, if I couldn't understand the topics, I could also approach my teachers, and they also were very helpful. And take the mock exams which are scheduled by Fiji, and they are really helpful.
In 11th and 12th, I really grew to appreciate the quality of Fiji's packages and their approach to learning. They give a very systematic approach to solving problems, starting with the moderate ones and going on to the harder ones, without ever skipping a concept, but ensuring that your concept clarity is very good.
Trust your teachers, trust yourself.
My life before Fiji and after Fiji are completely different actually. Before I joined Fiji, I was a kid who generally studied properly, but not with a lot of competition around.
Not just hard work is enough, but a very smart work along with the proper guidance from your mentors or your faculties.
So I would like to advise all my juniors not to neglect any of the AATs, to take them very seriously and to analyze each and every test that you give.
The most important thing that I've learned from this experience is that the organized way of studying that Fiji imbibes in all of us.